All right, so what I got is altering the freshwater system on a Riverside Retro teardrop, and these things come with a 17-gallon tank, which sits back in this corner here and pretty much all the way to the top here. So from right about here on, oh no, it's right here on over, I believe. So this whole corner, you lose all this good storage space back here. So what we've done is we've taken the tank out, and this is our winterization line here. We've taken all the PEX lines out, taken just a typical RV freshwater hose, attached it over here to where it's leading into the water pump. And then back over in this corner, this is the hose that led into the old freshwater tank. So we're utilizing that, running our RV hose back in here. And then when we move outside, we're using the same freshwater connection outlet, but we've got our hose popped in there. So we're bringing that out like this. Down here is our new portable Reliance 7-gallon water tank that you can get for about 14 bucks at Walmart. My brother here did all this crap. I don't know. He's a plumber by trade, so this is obviously his doings. He can tell you more what's going on here.
3/4 brass nipple with a 3/4 threaded ball valve and a pipe by hose connection.
And here's the valve here. So this is on and that's off. So now what we do is we've got our 2 female ends on this hose, which we kind of tweak this end off part of the RV hose that we cut. That's what this is, and we went ahead and added a female on this end, but you can also get a washer hose for a washing machine. It's got 2 female ends that'll work just the same. So then what we do is we tie this guy on out here. Get that good and tight. We got our vent open here. We're going to turn this to the on position. And then back in here we've got our valve open leading into the water pump. And then when we move up top here, we flip our water pump on, turn that on, and voila, we've got water. The little air coming out of there, that's what that is. And so we're going to go ahead and shut that off. Shut off our water pump. And what this does, it creates all this storage back here in the back that you can use for any kind of camping gear that'll fit back in here. Because there really isn't much, when you consider the water pump over here, you can't really get anything back there because it's hard to reach because of the placement of the water pump. And really all you had up here space-wise was from about here on over, basically this little section right here, and then just a little bit back in over here. So now this frees up a whole bunch of stuff. You could probably even get some lawn chairs in there, I bet. So that is that. I'll put this up on YouTube if anybody else is interested, and that's about it.